How to delete a YouTube channel on your iPhone. While the process is simple, simply proceed to first open up YouTube and make sure you're on the channel that you wish to delete. So you can tap on the U tab at the bottom right corner here, and you want to make sure that you are on the right channel that you wish to delete. From here, you can see the switch account option and Google account option. You want to tap on Google account option, and now this page should pop up here. Now, on this page, what you want to do is you want to head over to here to the option here that says data and privacy, and under data and privacy, now you want to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you'll find the option that says data from apps and services you use, and you can see content saved from Google services. You want to tap on it, and now under it you want to find YouTube. You want to select first delete a service. Once you select delete a service, now you want to select YouTube and you want to enter in your credentials and proceed to delete it. It is pretty simple and easy. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.